Good afternoon, student. Today's topic is lens makeup formula. Lens makeup formula. This formula relates the focal length of a lens to the refractive index of the lens material and the radii of curvature of its two surfaces. Now we derive the lens maker formula for double convex lens. First point is lens maker formulas for double convex lens. For it, we draw the ray diagram. This is a principal axis and this one is considered as double convex surface. Suppose an object is placed at point O in medium 1. This is considered as medium 2. A ray is going for a refraction at a point inside a lens. This point considered as M. After reflection, this rays going for a partial image for faces A, B, C. For faces A, B, C, the image is made on the principal axis at point I dash. But actual में these red bends towards the towards the focus of the faces A, D and C. This one considered is F. Now the rays I dash is considered as a object for faces A, C, D, and the rays and normal of first rays is considered as point C1, again reflected, and the normal is N, intersect at point principal axis C2, and for the actual image is formed at focus F. This is considered as object image V. This one consider distance between C1 1. This image is considered to R2 and this image is considered as object distance U, and this image remains to I dash is considered as V dash. Now using for refraction of the face A, B, C, using refraction through a convex surface. Now formula is mu2 divided by V dash minus k mu1 divided by object distance equivalent mu2 minus k mu1 divided by r1. We already proved this formula. This one consider equation number 1. And now for refraction from the face A, D, C, then object distance is V, image distance is V, object distance is V dash, and this one is considered, and now the object is placed in U2, refracting index U2. Then the formula is V1 divided by V minus k U2 divided by V dash equivalent U1 minus k U2 divided by R2, equation number 2. Adding above equation, it means U2 divided by V dash minus k U1 divided by U plus U1 divided by V minus k U2 divided by V dash U2 minus k U1 divided by R1 plus U1 minus k U2 divided by R2. This is cancel out. Then this one consider U1 divided by V minus के U1 डिवाइड बाय U इक्वलेंट कर दीजिए, माइनस का कॉमन कर लीजिए, U1 माइनस के U2 ये एज इट इज़, यानी 1/R2 माइनस के 1/R1 डिवाइडेड बाय U1 1/V माइनस के 1/U इक्वल 1 माइनस के U2 डिवाइड बाय U1 1 divided by R2 minus k 1 divided by R1. Hence, this can be written as 1/V minus k 1/U equals to 1 minus k U consider कर लीजिए. Hence, 1/V minus k 1/U 1 minus k U2 divided by U1 ब्रैकेट में R2 divided by minus k R1. U2 divided by U1 consider कर लीजिए U, ये as it is 1 divided by R2 divided by R1. This form is also written is U minus K1 1 divided by R1 minus K1 divided by R2. This is a lens maker formula for double convex lens. This topic is complete. Now second topic of this relation, second topic, lens maker formula for a concave double concave lens. Draw the ray diagram. This is concave lens. This one is principal axis. Now object is placed at point O. A ray is going for a refraction at a point M on the convex surface, this point, and draw a normal, and this one is considered as mu1 and this one mu2. At point this point, this ray is away from the normal, then this one is going towards. Now the object is formed due to this ray is a imaginary, which form is I1 dash. Now the I1 is assumption for the object for a faces D, E and F. This faces A, B and C. Now the I1 is considered an object for the faces D, E or F. Then the image object is formed at this point. I is the virtual image, and this one considered as object distance V. This one considered V dash. This one is considered as U. Now for face A, B, C, using refraction through a concave surface, formula is mu2 divided by V dash minus के mu1, where the objects are U इक्वल होगा u2 माइनस के u1 डिवाइड बाय रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर r1 for say face DEF. Again using refraction through a concave surface, this one considered as u1 divided by v minus के u2 mu2 divided by v1 v dash minus के mu1 minus k mu2 divided by r2. Equation number 2. Adding above equations, that means mu2 divided by v dash minus k mu1 divided by u plus k u1 divided by v minus k mu2 divided by v dash mu2 minus mu1 divided by r1 plus mu1 mu2 divided by r2. This one is cancel out, यानी mu1 divided by v plus k minus k mu1 divided by u equals to कॉमन कर लीजिए mu2 minus k mu1 1 divided by r1 minus k 1 divided by r2. Now divided by mu1 1 upon v minus k 1 upon u, mu2 divided by mu1 minus k1 1 divided by r1 minus k1 divided by r2, and that means 1 by v 1 upon u, mu minus 1 1 minus r1 1 divided by r2. This is the lens maker formula for concave, double concave lens, where mu equals to mu2 divided by mu1. Now next topic is thin lens formula. Thin lens formula. This is a mathematical relationship in between focal length, image distance and object distance. 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus k 1 upon u. Now the purpose is we calculate thin lens formula for when a convex lens forms a real image, first point. Second one, convex lens form a virtual image, second point. And third one is concave lens form a virtual images. Now the first topic, when convex lens forms a virtual image, forms a real image. Now ray diagram. This is the principal axis, and this is convex lens. Now the object is placed. What is the ray is going for the ray is going parallel to the pencil. It passes from the focus of the lens, and second ray is going for the center of curvature. It goes without any deviation. This point is considered as from a real image. A and B, this one is considered as A dash and B dash. This point is O, M, O. Now taking two similar triangle A dash, B dash, O, and triangle ABO. Taking the ratioid A dash B dash divided by AB, equivalent basis side OB dash divided by OB. This one equation number 1. Again taking a similar triangles A dash B dash F and triangle MOF. Now again taking a ratio A dash B dash divided by MO equals to FB dash and OF. Equation number 2. And MO, since MO parallel AB, then above equation A dash B dash equal AB, then FB dash equals to OF. Now put the value of this one, equation number 2. Equivalent above equations 1 and 2. That means equation number 1 equivalent equation number 2. That means our equation becomes OB dash divided by OB equivalent होगा FB dash divided by OF. That means value of FB dash, that we can OB dash minus K OF dash divided by OF dash. Substitute the value of OB equals to object distance, that can be written as minus Q. OF, this can be positive for convex lens, and OB dash, this can be again positive for making a real images. Substitute the value of this. V upon minus Ku equals to V minus Kf divided by F. Multiple Vf equals to minus Kuv plus Kuf, and or Uv equals to Uf minus Kvf divided by UVF. So UV divided by UVF equals to UF divided by UVF minus KVF divided by UVF. That means 1 upon F equals to 1 upon V minus K 1 upon U. That's proved for a convex lens when a convex lens forms a real images.